Hello, my name is Jennifer Nelson, and today I will be talking about social media in the elementary schoolroom. Social learning theory says that students learn best when they learn from each other. Social learning activities can be both educational and engaging. In the time we live in now, social media is everywhere, and children have more access to social media than ever before. One social media myth quoted by Davis in 2015 says, "Don't mistake social media for socializing. They are different, just as kids talking as they work in groups or talking while hanging out is different." Communication is key, and this is where social media can play a big part. Teachers can find ways to communicate with their children and the families that are in their class. It's also a great way through social media and other advents such as email and texting and talking. There are many great apps that have the same aspect, such as Class Dojo and Flipgrid and Google Classroom. Technology in the classroom is so good and epic and part of everyday lives with children that teachers rely on it as a great source with their curriculum. Kids may see it just as a computer or a tablet, but teachers can use it to not only use such wonderful programs as Epic, where children can read, but also math apps such as Extra Math and Prodigy, and a new one called Freckle that teaches children more about just basic everyday math, but it turns it into a game for children to play. So, like always, there is a concern for social media and what aspect it can be. But don't let it deter you from that, because social media is more than what meets the eye. It is out there to use and use not only for a socialization, but also for learning. There are many great benefits of social media, so many different sites. One is you can even establish a classroom Twitter account to connect students with the world. They can have real-time dialogue with experts, museums, publishers, journalists, and more. Asher quoted this in his website. He also made a point that you can also use Instagram in a variety of ways. Support classroom learning by positive supplementary visuals to augment what has been covered in class. Instagram could also showcase student learning. One of his favorite uses was when a social studies teacher had students write haiku about the colonial period in U.S. history. He then took videos of student artwork while the artists read their haiku and posted these to Instagram. And later on, when they found out it was for a different country, the students even said, "If I had known we were doing this for this country, I would have done a better job." Social media is all around us, and the best way to use it in a classroom learning is not only for the teachers to continuously be learning and updating and communicating with themselves, with other teachers, with the environment around them, with students. It's also a great way to find out more what's out there. What is another way they can use it? Because regardless of their age, they can connect to a global audience and the world around them and be more than what just meets the eye of what is in the classroom. Thank you so much for watching this.